Hello, today I'll show you how to transform your desktop into something like this. First, go to the Google Drive link in the description and download all the necessary files. If you see a warning saying the file type may be dangerous, just click Download anyway. Next, open the Microsoft Store and download TranslucentTB. Once installed, open it, click Continue, and then exit the app. After that, search for Lively Wallpapers in the Microsoft Store and install it as well. Open Lively Wallpapers, click the plus icon in the top right corner, select the video file you downloaded, and rename it if you want. Finally, press OK, and now the first step is complete. To add the clock and audio player widgets, open the Rainmeter.exe file you downloaded and go through the installation process. You'll see some widgets appear on your desktop. To remove a widget, simply right-click it and select Unload Skin. I will remove the clock widget and move the other two into position. Then, go back to your files and open the Rainmeter skin file. Click Install, and now you can move the clock and audio player into place. If you would like the pre-installed widgets like the system and disk space widgets, right-click any widget, go to Manage Skins, then open Illustro and enable the system and disk widgets. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.
Let's get lost in ecstasy. Let's get lost in ecstasy. Let's get lost in ecstasy.